fractions when I wrote the original fraction. Then, then I divided it by 2, and then I got 2 to 16, and then equal to 1/8, and 1/8 equals to 12.
Okay, so Gina has started with the original fraction, so 4 out of 32, and then she simplified or reduced that fraction to 1/8, and she knew that 1/8 is equal to 12.5%. So when it says what fractional part of the entire class went to the clinic, that's 4 out of 32. Show your report. And she reduced that to 1/8 in order to answer the second part, what percentage is that? That's 1/8 is equal to 12.5%. New, you had a question. Do you still have that question? Does this make more sense? Anyone have a question for Gina? Daniela?
2 and 16. I forgot to write it.
So she didn't divide by 2 and 16, she divided by 2. So really, maybe these should be like equal signs there to show the reducing or simplifying the fraction. All right.
Gina, can you explain how you know that 1/8 is 12.5%? Explain that a little bit more.
Because I would do that because 1/8 is half.
And what percentage is 1/4?
1/4 is
I'll do that problem later. The first one can work with Mr. Court, and Mr. Court is going to work on math workshop, maybe go over some of the homework. It's your best day ever because you get to go work with Mr. Court. Okay, group 2 would kind of be the yellow group. If we were putting groups in the baskets, we would be in the yellow basket. I'm going to review the homework with you and complete math workshop. And these are the people who get most of it, but maybe have some questions and need still a little bit of help here and there. And hooray, because you get to be with me. Group 3, these are the people who put their homework in the green basket. Okay? Or when we were going over everything today, you're like, I get it. I understand how to put fractions in order. I can answer word problems. I get it. You're going to be working with Mr. Randy, and he's going to be doing some challenging, I guess, or some different stuff with you. So think about if you had to put yourself in our homework basket right now, where you would be. Okay, would you be in the green, and you could be with Mr. Randy? Would you be in the yellow, and you would be with me? Or would you maybe be in the red with Mr. Court?
I think you're wrong.
Don't just put yourself in the red, just one way or another. So really be honest about with yourself and how much help you need, or if you really understand it, then challenge yourself. Gina?
What if you're kind of in the middle between the number 2?
If you need help deciding, I can talk to you and help you. Mr. Court, where would you like to meet with your group?
Right here in the back.
Okay, the long table. Mr. Randy, do you want the carpet?
Yes.
And my table, my group will start in that circular table. We might need to move. Like I said, before you guys move, I want you to take 10 seconds, think where you're going to go. And if you're not sure, I can help you. Not yet, Daniela. Everybody have an idea where they're going to go, or they're going to come ask me for help? All right, let's make moves, guys.
You have that big chart. If you don't, let's see what it looks like in diagram. If you don't have it, you can look at it first. And then we'll work on time fractions and percentages. But do you remember the ones that we started with? Let's do the simple ones first. How much is a 4? 4. Why don't you just get a chair from those desks? Let's see if Anna, do you have that piece of paper that has the percentages and the fractions on it that you've been making a list of?
Could have gone in here between these two, but because these two are touching, you can't play them. Okay? So you would have to look for a different one that can go somewhere over here or over here. And every time you play, it has to touch. You can't put a card there. Now, it doesn't have to be exactly But if it's the next one lower than 90% or the next one bigger than 90%, put it next to it. Okay? Yeah.
So, you can look at the number of right?
Oh yeah, they're good. I didn't put them up because I didn't want to give anything away yet or confuse you with that. But, so you're going to have, and you can work with your cards as a team to figure out which one's the best one to put down there. Now, your goal is to have the least number of cards. Your goal is to have the least number of cards when we're finished. And we're finished when nobody else can play. You should have 9, right?
Yes, we only have.
How many do you have?
We have 8.
How many cards do you guys have? Wait, watch out. We're going to take turns. You should work together because you don't want to do something that makes it so you can't play. You put it on top. Okay? Oh, look at this. Here's that other card. Okay, so. Wait a minute. I want somebody to guess. And the person closest to this card, the team closest to this card gets to go first. So what's your guess? This team. You can be a fraction. You're going to say 1/3.
I just already had it set up.
So your team can pick 1 card. And you have to tell us.
Yeah, but they answered the rest of it.
I don't have this. Let's pull all of them out. 112. Joey, this is much easier.
Here you go. This is when you guys come back during the physical class.
Oh, yeah.
No, leave everything here because I'm like that. What was the other one? You can go to milk, right? Yes. Danielle, you can go leave your stuff there as soon as you clean up your bedroom. Art, we're going to finish up during revision. Yeah, we are. Great. All right, guys, enjoy your milk break.